Hey everyone, Michael of Seattle here, helping you guys become better traders today. So today I'm going to show you my favorite screener for finding short squeezes. These are so much fun to play. You can make a lot of money real fast, especially if you guys are trading options. So I'm going to help you find all of that information in one nice scan. And if you guys are new to FinViz, use the link in the description below. That way you can actually save your information. That way you don't have to re-enter all of this stuff in time after time because it will become a hassle. So I'm on the screener page. I've hit all so I can see all the information available to me. First of all, we're going to hit this button up here, ticker. We're going to go down till we see something that says short interest share. Not short interest ratio, but short interest share. Then we're going to make that descending. Now, on the top left-hand corner, there's going to be something called market cap. You want that to be over 300 million, plus small parentheses, over 300 million. We're going to go down on the same side. We're going to go to price. We're going to hit something over $3. We don't want it to be too cheap. It messes up how the hedge funds put their own money into it as well. After that, we're going to go to float short right here. We want it to be over 20%. That way there's enough short out there or short interest out there where it can actually squeeze, where the hedge funds have to panic a little bit to cover their cost. Next one over, we're going to go to average volume. Here we want it to be over 500,000 shares. Next, we're going to have relative volume over 1, and this is basically just saying, hey, there's a little bit more volume than normal, which means something could be happening in the future. You don't want something that's performing day to day. We want something that's doing something a little bit different, where everybody's eyes are going to be suddenly drawn to it. Therefore, it's going to be pick up in volume and hopefully a nice squeeze. Up a few slots from here, we're going to actually see something that says option/short. You're going to hit options, optionable, and shortable. This just means you can do options on it and you can short it, and you need it to be shortable basically in order for this short interest to take effect. Then you want your current volume to be over 500,000 shares, and that just means, hey, it has some volume behind it. And then the last one we're going to be looking for is up at the top right hand corner. You're going to see this little tab called country. You want this just to be the United States of America. This is what you're looking for. This is perfection when it comes to finding short squeezes using FinViz. Now, you can see we have a beautiful list of 13 stocks right here. Now, I want to see a little bit more information about them, so I'm just going to hit this little tab right here called charts, and it'll pull up all the charts for me. You can see Rocket Companies, Xenex, GameStop. I am excited for GameStop this week. I think it has one last run in its future.